Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this video is going to be about the boundary tool, the Weld tool, and the Smart Fill tool to create the same boundary. So let's select all this, go hit the boundary tool, and we have a new shape, the exact same size. If we weld this, the only disadvantage is we've lost our original. Here's another way to do it. I'm not advocating you do this, but you could take the Smart Fill tool and fill in the bottom, move it down, left click, right click, go up to Object, Break Curve Apart, and remove your rectangle, and you have the same object, and you still have your original. Now, why do people put boundaries around things? Let's just delete all this, and let's take our boundary and let's delete all the other ones and put this in the center of the page. What people are going to want, if they have something engraved on this and they want a boundary around it, they could cut right on the wood or the acrylic or whatever they're using, but they can also go to Effects and Contour to the outside 0.1, go up to Object, Break Contour Apart, and now let's say they take, and this is their engraved item, that contour is gonna, the cut, well, if you ever do that, make sure the safest way to do it would be to move that one out of the way, fill it with black, and then left click no outline. Because if you don't, that'll cut twice. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.